What if your smartphone didn't just take photos, but felt like a real camera? This is the Nubia Z80 Ultra. Retro design, next-gen power, and a photography kit that blurs the line between phone and DSLR. Nubia's newest flagship isn't just another phone launch, it's a statement. A bold fusion of vintage craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. And at the heart of it all lies a photography experience unlike anything we've seen before. The photography kit is where nostalgia meets innovation. Wrapped in top-grain cowhide leather, the grip feels like it belongs on a classic camera. Physical buttons offer true tactile control, while quick-attach lenses bring both wide and zoom options right to your fingertips. It's not just a phone accessory, it's a creative tool designed for storytellers. The Z80 Ultra's triple camera setup is built to impress. A 1.13-inch Omnivision 990 sensor with a 35mm lens captures stunning depth and clarity. The 18mm ultra-wide camera pushes boundaries with a 1.155-inch sensor, while the telephoto lens zooms up to 50x with rock-steady OIS. From sweeping landscapes to cinematic portraits, this phone is engineered for visual excellence. Flip it around and you'll find a perfectly uninterrupted display. No punch holes, no notches, just a seamless screen thanks to an under-display front camera that hides in plain sight. Its elegance elevated, a design that prioritizes both form and function. Beneath the surface, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 drives everything, delivering unmatched speed and responsiveness. Paired with a massive 7100 mAh battery, the Z80 Ultra is built for creators who don't stop. Edit, capture, upload, all without reaching for a charger. With its blend of artistry and raw performance, the Nubia Z80 Ultra redefines what a smartphone camera can be. It's not just about pixels, it's about passion, precision, and presence. This isn't the future of mobile photography. It is photography reborn.